Ideally, I feel there should be there should be difference between your vacation and your work. You should not coincide them together, because that's a totally different mood. Even you still prefer doing that, make sure you're sitting properly, make sure your chairs are good. If you sit on a bean bag, what happens? Your body totally sink into it. When your body is totally sinking into it, the big muscles or the muscles which have to fire at that moment doesn't fire, and the problem comes to your neck, because it's been overworking continuously, and you might again land up into issues, or you might have some kind of little dysfunctions or malalignment, and which you need to address ASAP. See, whenever there is pain in the neck, how you try to compensate is you try to lift it, or the shoulder will droop because it's not working. Whenever this happens, when there's droop in your shoulder, something else try to lift. It's giving a compensatory effect in your body. This compensatory mechanism will definitely lead to a lot of wrong postures or malalignment in your body. They need to visit a physiotherapist, because no medication can get this better. No medication can bring a droop shoulder up. You need to visit a physiotherapy for the exercises, to learn the right way to even sit on a bean bag. We can even teach you that.